Alright, definitely want the carb heat today. Buddy, I think that's all the flying. Oh, you can't hear me. He doesn't have a. Yeah, see, my headset, man, with that background noise, it picks it up bad. French Valley traffic, 02 Echoes on right base, 18, full stop, French Valley. French Valley traffic, 02 Echoes on final, 18 French Valley. Land long a little bit, we'll get down to the high speed. Yeah, boy, it looks okay from up here, huh? But in like 30 minutes, it's probably going to be just fine.
Yeah.
Shimmy, shimmy. Like it's totally breaking up and stuff, but man, right now, it's just dicey. All right, carb heats in, flaps up.